I warmed some chicken, and I was thinking maybe the fox that I saw, go find it and give it some chicken, because he's probably hungry. Let's find him. I don't see it. I think he's gone. Now I see every creature except the fox. Now that I have treat for him. I wish I had it then, but nowhere to be found. Now she's nowhere to be found. She was right in front of me and I didn't have any food. Now that I have food, she's gone. Well, I did take so long to warm this up. Could be why she's gone. I came all the way to the highway and still no news of the fox. I don't know what to do. I guess gotta go home. I want to leave it for him, but I don't know if I should leave it I should leave it probably far from my house so he doesn't learn. Little Foxy that got away. Only if he knew. It got dark. I'm still looking for the fox. Maybe she gone home. Rain is over. Over here looking like a waitress. Look at my hair. Looking like a waitress who lost her table. Carrying food, but no one who wants to eat. Just thinking just to leave it here. You know, maybe he will come and eat it. Just gonna leave it here. Like the chicken, maybe like down here. Trying to be quiet because my neighbor is gonna be like, what the heck is she doing? I'll leave it here. And hope he finds it and eat it. I think he will. I think he will. That's the best I could do because I couldn't find him and it's already dark, so fingers crossed. I'll update you if you eat it. I'll check tomorrow and hope he eats it.